This is a lot. This is, I mean, no, it's actually not that much. It's only 7.5 pounds of food. It's less than 8,000 calories, just about 8,000. Shouldn't be that hard. It's just gonna be hot. What's good, everybody? Long time no see. It's been a couple weeks. All right, guys, you already know what we're doing today. Today we're doing the Korean Fire Noodle Challenge. Yes, I did this years ago. I did this with Morgan from our 1 million subscriber special.
I've never cried so much in my life.
Oh my god. Anyhow, most of you have probably seen a Korean Fire Noodle Challenge somewhere on YouTube. They're everywhere. Everybody does them. Some people do like 1 pack just to see if they can handle the heat. A lot of people, though, have stepped it up and done an entire 5-pack of Korean Fire Noodles as either a mukbang or a food challenge. But today we're gonna step it up a notch. We're not gonna try to eat 1 5-pack. It's already been done. We're not gonna attempt 2 5-packs of Korean Fire Noodles. We're going to attempt 3 5-packs of Korean Fire Noodles. 15 individual blocks of chicken-flavored, spicy ramen noodles. 3 times the 5-pack Korean Fire Noodle Challenge. 15 fire noodles. I can only imagine what the comment section is saying right now. Let's cook these up. One pack. No, it's a little broken. What the hell? 6. 3. Oh wow, it's cooking fast. Look at that. That is 9. 9 noodles. Last 6 noodles going on. I think there's one that's cracked in half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last 6. Now we're mukbanging. Right, so I'm gonna do this in layers. Oh man. Oh my god. Damn it. It's such a letdown too. It's all clumped up. Alright, now 15 of these. Oh, that looks good now. Alright. Alright. 15 packs of Korean Fire Noodles with all the sauce, all the toppings, all the noodles, everything right here. 7,950 calories in this plate. Again, I don't think any human has eaten this many Korean Fire Noodles before. And I'm about to find out why. I'm gonna ditch the chopstick for this one. I'm going for the fork. Come on, Matthew, you can do this. Oh, come on. It's no big deal, it's just spicy. Alright, here we go. Korean Fire Noodle Challenge times 15. Challenge starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. It's weird because like big pepper in the back of the throat, it does make you not want to swallow. It's weird. spicy. It tastes good. Thank God it tastes good. I need a napkin. Oh, my nose is running. Come on. Oh my God. Oh, no, don't do that. I learned. Oh.
1 minute. Come on.
I know, I got it, I got it. I think I'm halfway there. It just doesn't end. It just feels like your bites aren't doing anything. God damn it. Oh my God, I'm so close. Come on. Oh, poke my fault.
Look at you.
Oh, I'm done. Hell yeah. Oh man, my stomach is just... This is why I don't do spicy videos, guys. Alright guys, there we go. That is 15 spicy Korean chicken noodle packs. Oh yeah, baby. 15 fire noodles completed in 10 minutes. I am more than happy with that time. I'm impressed. Alright, well, what is it, 9:40? 9 minutes and 43 seconds for 15 fire noodles. I think that's a pretty badass time, if I say so myself. Show you the plate real quick. Boom, I think I did a pretty good job of cleaning it. I was really aiming for 10, and I was worried that in me aiming for 10, that I'd be like, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then like have some noodles on the plate, and it would be like, no, I cleaned the plate good. That's a clean plate. A couple of noodles right here, not much, but hey girl, you want a noodle? I'm not kidding. I gotta clean this poop up later. All right guys, well thank you for watching. Sorry, it's been, I think it was, I've been training and stuff for competitive contests, and I looked at my YouTube and I was like, oh crap, I haven't uploaded a video in 3.5 weeks. So here we go, got a video up for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Wanted to do it big, wanted to do it right, so. After I get these big contests out of the way, I'll have more time to film, so I'll get more videos out for you guys. But I appreciate you guys sticking around with this channel, even though I don't regularly upload as many do. But I'm working on it. Well, hope the pain was worth it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I will see you hopefully soon in another video soon to come. Any other final words I can think of? My head's not really in the right place. I just need to make sure I said anything. Let's see. Yeah, website's up. It's been up for a long time. Just haven't said anything about it.
Oh, shirts.
Yeah, t-shirts. There are new t-shirts for sale. You can go to Big Cartel. Link should be below. I'm also selling them on Amazon now, so you can buy new shirts on Amazon. Merch, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Come on, Matthew, you can do this. Oh, come on, come on. It's no big deal, it's just spicy. You ate 1, you can eat 15. All right.